giving me a chance to be with you on this weekend. Became a long weekend, looks like, with the one yesterday. I experienced a very nice, quiet Bangalore first time in my life, with no traffic around, and when I landed yesterday. So essentially, in this particular day today, we are going to talk about algo trading, automatic trading, program trading, whatever is the name which we could do it, which is something called as a systematic trading or predictive trading. So we essentially want to go to the next level of technology in our industry, where we want machine to do the trading on our behalf as much as possible. And that's where this whole session is going to be. You can interrupt me in between, and we will also have question answer session at the end of the talk. So this is a brief agenda which I thought we should have. What exactly is algo trading? If there are any questions, I'm sure this already this subject is being talked about quite a lot these days. Where does the India stand in terms of algo trading? Why do we need algo trading? What are the challenges faced by manual traders? And what exactly is the algo life cycle? How, if you want to become an algo trader, what are the steps which you should take? And just a couple of cases will take how our charting-based application like any broker can be automated, and there are many more pre-packaged algorithms for the technical analyst how they can be used. So let's look at how technology has been moving in our industry. If you see the first picture, in good old days, we have been placing orders on phone to the broker. We call them brokers, and we have on and trade. Okay. We still do, couple of us, we still do it, but that's what we have left it behind. And now we have our own terminal where we are able to place our own orders. We don't need to call a broker. We have our own terminal. We call it, it could be a browser-based or exe-based or a mobile-based broker. And now the trend is coming where we want to relax. We have to sit and relax and let our rules be programmed in the machine and let machine do and trade it. Why do we want to buy? Why do we want to sell? It's already there in our head, which you are punching our order or you are calling the broker to do it. Why not program it and let machine do it themselves? So that's the way technology has been moving. We have already come up this far. In fact, there was one step ahead where we say there was a ring-based trading. So from ring-based trading to the caller trade to our own terminal, and now machine-based trading. Okay, that's where technology is moving. We all in this industry have been moving along with the technology. Those who do not move with the technology, they are left behind. That's the fact of the life. Right? So where have we come in India? Now these are the figures or reports published by exchange, NSE monthly. Every exchange they keep publishing these reports. If you look at this report in the month of March, where you have this as the cash market trading data and the equity derivatives market trading data. Every order which goes to the exchange, it is tagged on what type of order it is. Okay. So you see the classification of this. You have non-algo orders, DMA, direct market access orders, which are used by the FIIs or the FPIs. You have co-location orders where exchange has given the permission in there of the algo trading system. Why you want to buy, why you want to sell, let this be programmed. Why do we want to have ad hoc trading or trading with the guts or trading with the whims and fancy? If you trade with whims and fancy, even manually also you are going to lose. So time has come that we understand, study our entry and exit points and
does it work for option trading also?
Yes. It works for the trading account that works. You obviously need to have the account with the broker who is providing you the algo trading. We have composite based with us to answer your question on that side. But as a technology investment, if you just need the terminal, okay. Today we have a pricing of this, which is about 25,000 rupees for 1 full year of license, okay, where you can access this technology and you can start trading. Certainly your strategy should be programmed at your end, or you may use one of our pre-packaged strategies.
No, I think what he was asking was investment, right?
No, that's
in terms of the fund or the investment?
No, investment into the system I was asking.
Yeah. The system, see, if you are using any broker or if you are using any charting application, you have already invested in that. So I am not talking about that. Now that must be there available.
That's a part.
You will, part to that, you will take the license of this technology.
But with small monies, can anybody trade with this using Algo?
Small money.
Small investments.
Small investment is like a margin money for you. This platform we are talking about only Indian exchanges right now, the context, because international there are not many legal and compliance issues, so it's a separate subject. So okay, let me continue with the actual demo of it. So I have with me Rahul, who is helping me. We have taken access of our server in Bombay. The whole system is like as if we are trading live on this particular day. We are replaying the data feed of the entire 6.5 hours, and you are going to get an experience that how the live trading would have happened. Orders are going to our virtual exchange. This virtual exchange has been almost cloned by the live exchange. In case the order goes to the live exchange, how exchange would have filled your order, looking at the order book, looking at the quantity which is available, looking at the touch line or the second line of the order book or the third line of the order book. All of that has been incorporated so that you get real life experience for testing. So like any trading platform, you have a market watch. You can also place manual orders with that. Let's place some manual orders down. You have put in your order, leave it for this algorithm to continue to execute. So that's the simplest method of saying that what is algo trading. You wanted to trade manually, now you are allowing this algorithm. So you have loaded the algorithm. It says start. Okay. So strategy is in running state now. Now this algorithm is in running state. It is waiting for command or instructions to come from you. I can place a manual order. Okay, I am saying the order type, the price, side and quantity. This is the only thing I have already pre-selected the stock, whatever I have selected it over here. And you will see that the order will start now executing. Yeah. So this is the order which it has gone, and it will get replaced every 5 seconds, and then finally it will get executed. So I don't have to keep on manually modifying the order. It is getting executed with predefined set of rules. There are no human emotions involved, there are no human interventions involved. It's not that looking at the market, I say fine, I'm just withdrawing it and I'm just putting it, or I'm increasing it by 10 rupees or I'm increasing by 5 rupees. Very methodically, it's like a robot, it is going to execute around. Let me come to a little more complex algorithm. So let's look at JobX. So this is again another complex execution algorithm. Okay, where we say that I am defining what is my trading time. I have my start time as 9:20. I do not want to trade between the first 5 minutes for whatever volatility. It can be 9:16 also, 9:17, whatever time, or you want to keep it as 9:50. And there is a cutoff time. Cutoff time is
in my case especially, emotions were coming in the way. No,
So
10,000, wait, 15,000, still wait, we'll see tomorrow, carry forward. But as far as Algo is concerned, there are no emotions there.
Algo is not
It will cut off your position, that's it.
Algo is not always citizen. Yeah.
Yes.
Mr. Praveen, you ready, sir?
so I think I have finished what I wanted to talk. Unless you have some questions, I will hand it over to Mr. Jagdish on the platform and we will take it forward. I am available anyway for more questions also. Yeah, so you want to add? You want to introduce? Yeah. I think it will be so. As I said, we have some business partners who have built on top of our platform. They have built excellent solutions, and Amit is coming from a company called Traders Cockpit. Traders Cockpit has slowly gathered the momentum of building on the online charting application and technical analysis application. I'll allow him to talk about it more and how they have integrated their decision-making system through our automated trading platform.
Sir, for this hands-on training or there, or it's virtual
See, you can get trained on virtual, right? It's better so that you don't risk your capital. That's where we give you the own capabilities. And once you think you are confident, then you can go ahead.
No, sir, his question was like, are you physically teaching or through the...
To connect to the Presto backend, right? So one of those was Java, Python and all, right? So what we believe is like it's very difficult for an end customer who may be good in, you will have a mobile app also with all these features.
You don't need the VPS also.
You don't need anything. That's what they, so I will say, how can I expect a end customer to have all these things? If I'm a working professional in Infosys or Wipro, I can't trade when I'm working, right? So that's what our target segment is. Our target segment is a person who can't afford to be in front of the computer when he has some other profession, right? So these are all the pieces we have put it together. So we have a lot of things. This unfortunately this is not the right platform. My team is there, we can take offline. We have all the products where you can create trading systems, you can backtest trading systems. All those things are there. I am just directly coming to the autopilot module, which is integrated with Symphony and Samul. So this is like a three products are integrated and the complexity is written for me. So right, so before you go to autopilot, of course you have to, sorry, Traders Cockpit is a cloud-based data analytics software, right?
Broker concern is particularly there also. So with that, we'll conclude today's session. And before I conclude, where is Mr. Lakshmi? So can we have a please? On behalf of the Association of Technical Market Analysts, may I request Satish Dutt to kindly hand over a token of appreciation to Praveen Gupta ji for doing a wonderful job today and at least educating us on the benefits of Algo. Please.
Thanks all of you.
So we'll conclude the session and let us rise for the national anthem. Jaya Jaya